It is 11:17 p.m. and we are just heading up the canyon. Shocker. And away we go, baby. Moto camping. What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with two wheels and a tent here. I'm going up my favorite canyon here. Do a little moto camping, try out some new gear. In no small part, thanks to Rob and Kara. Appreciate you. We've got some new luggage system, the Moscow Moto Reckless 80. Oh, that is the little deer. Little teeny deer. Holy cow. But my deer sense was tingling. I mean, those were smaller than Deej. Pretty sure I will not be the only one camping. Which is fine, but they better like latecomers. Holy shit balls. My God. .252 it is, baby. On the 701. This is overgrown, baby. Look at this little gem. As much as I love my puppy, last time, his first time camping, he went to lay down and he does circles until he finds his spot. But his claws were a little bit long, and he popped my sleeping pad, so I have not fixed it yet, so we're going to do that in the field and hope it works. Yowie. That shit is hot. Got my fucking ass kicked here.
This is my first test with the gimbal. There's the camp. Got the bike, tent, and me. Pretty smooth. Just sitting here at camp in the morning, and my neighbors are dirt bikers, which is cool.
First day of the adventure, and we're getting a little bit of rain, so I had to throw everything on the bike or in the tent. Just kind of chilling today. I don't really have a plan, agenda, time frame, whatever. Just enjoying nature. hard yet, but see, this is wet. The nice thing about the MOTO tank bag is you just come to the front zipper and bam, there's your rain cover. Keep all your importance dry, see? There you have it. Boom. Just like that.
Alright, so the little drizzle that I was talking about earlier on day 2 of the adventure turned into quite the storm. In fact, it just barely stopped. And I'll just walk you through why I ended up staying another night here. Not sure if you can tell how wet the tent is. The bike's pretty much soaked. But now I had enough fuel and enough water to make me some Thanksgiving dinner. Good stuff. Wish I had a Red Bull or a Coke right now. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating, then we'll go for a hike.